Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off DMs on Discord. Firstly guys, launch the application and then search for a server. For example, this one, go to the three dots on your right upper side and then just scroll down, and here as you can see the direct messages is turned on. We need to turn it off, and with this we have disallow direct messages from server members. But the other thing what we need to do to turn off DMs on Discord is just typing on our profile photo right down and then just go for privacy and safety. And as you can see right down, when you scroll it, you have many options, but the main option is here that says server privacy defaults, allow direct messages from server members. Now here you need to go and turn off this button, go yes, and now guys, we have done it. Now you know how to turn off DMs on Discord. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.